two open source speech recognition tools. One is lightning fast and runs on weak hardware. The other one delivers near human accuracy. So which one actually wins? Today we're going to put in Vosk versus Whisper head to head. So let's get into the video. Vosk is actually a lightweight open source speech recognition toolkit designed for offline and real-time transcription. It works on low-end devices, Raspberry Pis, Android phones, and even embedded systems. Whereas Whisper is OpenAI's open source speech recognition model trained on massive multilingual datasets. It's famous for incredibly accurate transcriptions, language detections, and handling accents and noisy audios surprisingly well. And Vosk here, why people prefer Vosk is that it's extremely lightweight, it runs in real time on CPUs, and it's excellent for offline applications. On the downside, what happens is that Vosk accuracy drops in noisy environments, not as strong with accents and less natural punctuations, and it has a smaller language model capabilities. Whereas Whisper here, okay, Whisper on the other hand is insanely accurate. They handle accents and noisy environments better, and they support multiple languages, and they have better punctuation and formatting. But on the downside, for Wisp it has a much heavier computationally, it's slower on CPUs, and it needs a decent GPU power for fast performance and higher memory usage. It uses higher memory. So if you are like a developer, if for developing building real-time apps, if you're building live captions and voice assistants and edge applications, then Vosk is probably your winner. It's ideal for you. It's fast, lightweight, and efficient. But if you're like for content, if you're a content creator or professional, you care about like transcripts quality, subtitles, podcast interviews, then Whisper might be a better option for you because the transcription quality is simple on another level. It's simply on another level. Okay, so I would say that Vosk wins on speed and efficiency, whereas Whisper wins on intelligence and accuracy.